Good evening, mom.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 10th chapter. Surface areas and values. Today we will learn the new exercise 10.4. Today we will learn all the problems one by one. Today we will learn it only. Telangana Study Book page number 241. Are you understood of the previous class, Gagan Sai?
Yes.
10.5, 10.5.1, 5.2, 5.3, all are the three topics is over. Sphere topics. Okay? Yeah, do you know the spheres? Yeah, do you know the examples of spheres, Gagan Sai? What's the examples of spheres examples?
Globes, ball, football,
Yeah, this is the one sphere.
earth.
One sphere. And this is also, ball is also one sphere. And globe is also one sphere. Yeah, all are the topics and with the examples, problems, it's over. In previous class, are you understood? Are you any doubts?
Yes.
Any doubts? No doubts.
No doubts.
Yeah, shall I start the today class?
Okay.
Yeah, sphere. This is the sphere. One sphere. Sphere, it is nothing but it is the geometrical figure, 3D figure. It is made up of set of points and equally distant from the fixed point in the space. The fixed point is known as the center of the sphere. The distance from the center to any point on the surface of the sphere, it is radius. This is the radius. Spheres has no vertices and no edges. Yeah, this is the sphere. One example. Globe is also one sphere. Do you know the hemisphere? Hemisphere means is the half of the sphere. For example of tomato and lemon, watermelon, those are is the sphere. Example. Yeah, half of the sphere. This is the one sphere. Example, half of the sphere. This is the hemisphere. Sphere is divided into two parts. The two parts are equal parts. Yeah, these one part is hemisphere. Do you know all are the formulas? Are you learned and practiced all are the formulas? Shall I asking some formulas?
Yes.
Yeah, first sphere topic. I asking some formulas. What is the formula for the surface area of the sphere?
Surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square.
4 pi r square. Very good. What is the formula volume of the sphere? Formula for the volume
4
of
by 3 pi r cube.
2 by 3 pi r cube. Very good. What is the curved surface area of the hemisphere?
2 pi r square.
For the hemisphere, curved surface area.
2 pi r square.
2
pi r square.
Very good. Next, total surface area of the hemisphere.
3 pi r square.
3 pi r square. Next, volume of the hemisphere. What is the formula?
Volume of the hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube.
2 by 3 pi r cube. Very good. Yeah, these are is the formulas. Very, very important formulas. Keep in your mind. Don't forgetting all of the formulas. Cube to up to sphere. Cube, cuboid and cylinder, cone and next sphere. Those are all of the very, very important formulas. You don't forgetting all of the formulas. You remembering and keep in your mind. Okay? Yeah, based on those all of the formulas, today we will learn the exercise problems. One by one, today we will learn it. 10.4 problems. Are you understood of the previous class? With the examples, it's over. All are the spheres and hemisphere topics with the examples. it's over. All are the concept of procedures is all are it's over only. Okay, are you understood? Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. Yeah, in examination point of view, only procedure is the very important only. First of all, if you understood the procedure only. Okay, numbers is vary from question to question only. But yeah, if you understood the procedure only, first of all. Okay? Formulas is also remembering compulsory. Must and should formulas is remembering. If you understood the procedure, we can easily we can solve the problem solution. Okay? Yeah, first problem. Let's see the first problem in our textbook. The radius of sphere is 3.5 centimeters. Find its surface area and value. This is the very simple questions. One by one today we will learn it only. The radius of the sphere is given. That is the 3.5 centimeters is given. How to calculate this one only. What's the surface area of the sphere and value? Yeah, two questions asked in this problem only. Very simple problem. Be carefully listen carefully. Look at the blackboard. Be carefully listen. First given area how to write it in your given problem. The radius of the sphere is given. That is the 3.5 centimeters. If radius is given, then you have to calculate the surface area and value. Very simple problem solution. To find these two only. Yeah, first the radius of the sphere. That is R. The radius. Do you know the formula? Surface area of the sphere formula. Tell me the formula, Kagan side.
4 pi r square.
The radius of the sphere. R equal 3.5 centimeters. The surface area. The surface. First question. Area of the sphere. What's the formula? Surface area of the
4 pi r square.
4 pi r square. R is given. So R value is substituting in this formula. Okay. Yeah. R value is substituting in this formula. We get the surface area of the sphere. Yeah. First R value. What's the R value? 4 into. Do you know the 5 value? 5 is nothing but 22 by 7 into r square. R square is nothing but 3.5 whole square. So 4 into 22 into 3.5 into 3.5. 3.5 is how many times here multiplied it is? 3.5 square is nothing but 3.5 is multiplied by 2 times. Okay? Next. Simplify this one. Now simplify this fraction. Yeah, 7 by 7. That is the 3.5. 0.5. 3.5. How to write this one? Removing the decimal point or ignore the decimal point. 35 by 10 into 7. So 7 1 is 7 5 is 30. 5 by 10 it is nothing but 0.5. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
0.5. 7 1 is 7, 0.5. Cancellation. 3.5, we will get this one only. 0.5. Next, 4 into 22. It is nothing but 88. 4 to 8, 4 to 8. 88 into 0.5 into 3.5. Multiplication of these are 3 terms. So how much of value will come? Yeah, this is the rough calculation. I am writing. Here it is. Multiplication of these three. 88 into 0.5. 5 8 is 40. 5 8 is 40. 40 plus 4. 44. After decimal, how many digits are there? Single digits. So put the decimal point here it is. Yeah, next multiplication of 3.5. 44 into 3.5. Multiplication of these two terms. How much of value we will get it? After decimal point 0, it is nothing but no value. So, only 44 is considerable. 44 into 3.5. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Next, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 30. Sum of these two terms, how much of value will come? 2 plus 3, 5. 1. After decimal point, how many digits are there? Single digits only. So put the decimal point, here it is. But because here it is the only single digits only after decimal point. So from right to left is put here it is a decimal point. Yeah, product of these all three terms, how much of value? You will get it 154 centimeter square. Okay? Yeah, this is the surface area of the sphere. Therefore, the surface area of the sphere equal 154 centimeter square. Okay, this is the first bit. Solution is over. Radius is there. You can find out the surface area. How much of value you got it? 154 centimeter square. You got it only. Next, second question. What's the second question? Volume of the sphere. Yeah, volume of the sphere. How will you find out the volume of the sphere? That is also very simple. Do you know the one formula? Volume of the sphere formula? The volume of the sphere is equal, what's the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Yeah, r value is already given problem. So r value substituting in this above formula, we will get the sphere only. How will get the sphere value? R value substituting in this formula. Do you know this one? Pi value, we know that 22 by 7. R value. What's the R value? 3.5 whole cube. Next, 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 whole cube. It is nothing but 3.5. How many times is multiplied here? It is 3 times. So 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. So now simplification here it is. Yeah, first translation in the table of 7 table. 7 1 ja 7, 0.5. 7 5 ja 35. So 0.5. Here is the decimal point there. So that's why 0.5. Next, product of 4 into 22. It is nothing but 88. 88 into 0.5. You already, we know that value. What's the value? 88 into 0.5 is nothing but 44. So 44. This value. Once again we write this part. 0.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. By this value already we know that. What's the value? That value is 44. 44 into 3.5 into 3.5. How much of value you got it? Multiplication of these two terms. 5 5 ja 25. 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 2 17. 3 5 ja 15. So 3 3 ja 9. 9 plus 1 10. So sum of these two terms, how much of value will come? So 7 plus 5 it is nothing but 12. 1 plus 1 2 1. After decimal point in these two products, after decimal point how many digits are there? Here it is 1 digit and here it is the 1 only. So total is 2 digits. Put the decimal point here it is. From right to left, 2 digits. 12.25. How much of value? We got it. Product of these two terms. 12.25. Okay. Then again, further multiplication. Here it is. 44. Next again, multiplication of these two terms. 4 5 is 20, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 2, 10, and 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 1 is 4. Next, second digit is also same. So that's why directly write it down. 0, same value. So sum of these two terms, 0, 0, and next, what's the 9 plus 0? It is nothing but 9. 4 plus 9, it is nothing but 3. 4 plus 1, it is nothing but 5. Okay, after decimal point, how many digits are there in this product? 2 digits only. So put the decimal point, here it is only. From right to left, 2 digits, here it is only. How much of value you got it? 539. Okay, by 3. Next, division of these only. 539 by 3. So I am doing rough calculation here it is. 539 by 3. 3 1 is 3. Next, subtracting of these two terms. How much of value? 2 only. 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2. Next, bring down the 3. So 23 only. So 3, 7 is 21. Next, subtracting of these two terms. So 3 minus 1 it is nothing but 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So next, bring down this one. 9. Write it in the right side of the remainder. Next, 3, 7, 3 9 is 27. So next, subtracting of these two terms. How much of value we got? 9 minus 7 it is nothing but 2 only. So 2 minus 2 it is nothing but 0. Next, put the point here it is. And you write it as 0 in the right side of the remainder. First put the point in the position. Next again digit. What's that? 3 6 is 18. Next, borrowing of 10 here it is 10 minus 8 2. And next 0. And next 6 only. Next 18. Continuous division here. It is the continuous division only. Okay. That this division is not stop here. It is 6 6 6 6. Same value will come only. 20 22. Remainder is 2 only. So that's why here what's the how much of value got it? 539 by 3. Division of these two only. How much of value got it to? 179.666 only. Okay. Approximately this value is nothing but after decimal point the same number is continuous only. So 66 and so that is approximately it is take 7. Approximately take the value is 7. So volume of the sphere it is nothing but centimeter cube. Okay, this is the final answer. Therefore, the volume of this sphere, this is the short form. Otherwise, the volume of this sphere is also right. This is also simply write it. Volume of this sphere and 179.7 centimeter cube. Yeah, multiplication and division it takes a very lot of time. Okay. Once again you go and practice now. Okay. Yeah, this problem solution. Radius is given. You can find out the surface area and the value. Do you know the formula? We know that those two formulas. We know that R value are substituting in these two formulas. We will get the final answers of these two questions answers. Very simple problem solution. Okay. Yeah. What's the value? Is continuous division only. It is division is not stop only. So that's why after decimal point 666 continuous only. So approximately take the 7 only. Okay, are clear? How much of value we got it? Volume of the sphere 179.7 centimeter cube. That is the final answer. Are you understood? This problem solution is over, and next we will move on to the next question.